How many of you sit in a situation where you are feeling, I don't want to be seen. I don't want to be seen. But the woman with the issue of blood pushed through the crowd and say, regardless of whatever they say, me, it's very important to get healing now. Push through the crowds. Push through the things that you think is the one that is holding you back or withholding you from the things that you want to get. If you push through, do you know what is the nicest thing about pushing through? You position yourself for a miracle. If you sit, miracles doesn't come to you. But once you push through, it will help you. I mean, there's so many other examples I can make. But yet, it's for you to push through. Take responsibility for yourself.